Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me see. Yes, that is a problem or something. Okay, so yeah, let me show you a little quicker. 2D, I don't think two dimension I'll be doing because I have done a lot of assets here so far, so many view. So I would not be able to do anything. I cannot afford anything but this. Uh, yeah, these are the assets I made so far. Uh, Most of the assets I just built and one by one I just followed the patterns. Sometimes I do a little bit of realistic and something. So this is my player, which is basically uh, I don't know why it is not moving around. This is crazy. Okay, so this is the player actually. Probably I did a little bit of not scaled properly. I didn't scale at all. Yes, that's how it is, and that is how it is. Yeah, this is not properly scaled and it's okay. Let me show you what as any of the side you can take it as a head and any of the product you can yes, so it is basically a survival game. I'll be doing and I'll put some tasks to complete by the player for each level. I don't think I'll be adding most of the levels because it could be the ideas that he'll be doing most of the tasks and following and hanging around the city. And this is just a demonstration I made so far. I hope you like it. It is not that unreal. I getting into the thing, or it's not really marvelous design, but I'll be pretty much into it. Hopefully, I'll do something better in the future. Thank you so much. I hope you liked it. Subscribe my channel, comments on it, and please like, share, and let me know if anything I need to be fixed. I'll do that for you. Take care.